I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, here to guide you from a vlog by vlog basis how to turn junk into joy, trash into cash, and many other items to be loved and appreciated. I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, rate. Boom, dun 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 dun. Oh, Diyos ko, dun 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 dun. Ano ba naman ito? Heya, tanghiya, dun 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 dun. Ano ba naman ito? Oh, 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 ano ba naman ito? Boom! Hi folks, it's me again, Wonderbeard the Pirate, singing one of my favorite songs of the Eraserheads with all the gang members, Ellie and all the other guys, no? And I think that song was called O Pareco, right? No? Sayang, I don't have any audio or video cassette tapes of the Eraserheads, which became Pupil. Now I don't know what their name is now, but I hope they're still performing live and alive. I'm Wonderbeard the Pirate, vlogging you from beautiful Quezon City, Philippines. It's still dark out there because it's only 4:59 a.m. right? Okay. So as usual, we start in the beginning because we can start from the end, right? So we got lots of stuff around here from Mickey and Minnie. Okay. But before anything else, we have, of course, our English lesson, okay? Boom, fine, okay? English lesson. Of course, you still remember this attachment in my head. I told it to you yesterday. It's not a toga. So what is it, huh? What? Oh, all right, that's right. This is called a mortar board, huh? Mortar board. And this is the tassel, okay? Right. So this is part of my style. Kahit bulok. Okay, now, konting trivia before the English lesson. You know, si Ellie Buendia was the head of the Eraserheads, diba? Siya pinaka-leader nun. He has only, anong pangalan ng pinakaunang anak ni Ellie Buendia? Na lalaki. Ang unang anak ni Ellie Buendia na lalaki. Do you know the name? Or I'll tell you. The name of the son of Ellie Buendia, yung pinakauna, is named Neo, Neo as in N-E-O, yun, That's something for you to remember, okay? All right, now we have some terms, medical terms that you should know about. Identification of terms, okay? So I have I have 4 of them, okay? Here we go. Anong difference ng bipolar, schizophrenia, ADHD, at saka yung shrink, okay? Do you know the particular differences? Because you could be one of them. Ako lahat yan, lahat ako. Joke lang. Okay? First things first, what is a shrink? For example, oh, you're not feeling well, your head is not right, you should go see a shrink. American term yun that you should know about. Yung pag sinabing shrink, this means a psychiatrist. Yung nag-i-study ng brain mo, yung emotions, yung problem mo. So hihiga ka, and you will discuss your problems and all your depression, and then they will kind of help you out, okay? Yung shrink, okay? First things first, bipolar. Yung bipolar is a condition wherein pwede kang masaya o pwede kang malungkot. Extremes pa. You could be happy now and then sad later. Very, very happy or very, very sad. Nag-change yung poles mo, yung polarity mo that's not normal. You have to fix that. Sabi daw, ang pinaka-umpisa nun is yung depression. You should take medication for that para ma-save ka. Then, what is it if you have schizophrenia? Sorry. Parang may kulang na letter, no? S-C-H. May C pa. Yeah, I'm gonna correct it. Pasensya na, pirate lang. Okay? S-C-H. Ayun, corrected. Okay? Siyempre, tao lang, pirate lang. Okay? So, what is it pag meron kang schizophrenia? Schizophrenia. Ito, matindi yun. If you have schizophrenia, it means that you hear voices. Meron kang narinig na boses at kinakausap ka. Nakikinig ka naman. So, because of that, you're sick na kailangan pumunta ka sa isang shrink. And he might prescribe medication for you. Okay? Alam mo, si Saint Joan of Arc, saint siya, babae, she heard voices. And ang sabi ng boses, Joan, Joan, pick up thy sword and go fight the bad people. Sinabi niya ganun, yung boses. Nakinig si Saint Joan of Arc and she picked up a sword and she fought all the evil men in battle. Talagang battle talaga. Okay? In the end, nahuli siya and she was placed on a stake. Tinali siya na maraming mga firewood. Sabi sa kanila, sabi ng mga pare, Joan, pag umamin ka na yung mga boses na yun ay hindi totoo at saka wala kang narinig, we will not burn you. Because right now, para kang witch. So, ang nangyari doon is that she said, no, talagang narinig ko yung mga boses na yan. And I believe them. So, ang ginawa, sinunog siya. And she became a martyr and she became a saint. Si Saint Joan of Arc. Okay, what is it kapag meron kang ADHD? Yun, ADHD. Ito po yung Attention Deficit Hyperactive Disorder. Yun. Yung di ka mapakali sa school. Lagi ka naghahanap ng attention. Lagi kang nagpapapansin. Ayun. Sakit din yun. So, you need therapy, you need medication, you need a shrink. Okay? So, I hope that's clear for our our English lesson. Okay? So, basta, for you to be normal, wag masyadong seryoso sa ginagawa mo. And do not be depressed. Pag depressed ka, you talk to somebody. Kasi when you talk to somebody, you release your tension, your emotional problems, and it will help. Kung kailangan ng medication, di kailangan. Okay? Right. So, that's our English lesson for this time. Boom na naman. Okay? So, well, we have an update muna before we go to our main Mickey and Minnie vlog. Okay? Do you remember this? Pinakita ko ito a few vlogs ago na itong solar-powered charger. Tuwang-tuwa ako kasi nilagay ko siya sa sun at nag-charge siya. Okay? So, ang problema pala is, alam mo, I placed this under the sun again kahapon. Siguro buong araw. Umiit nga siya eh. Tapos nang chinarge ko yung iPhone ko, wala. After 10 seconds, wala na, nag-zero. So, something is wrong with this. This is defective. Itong juice box. Yan ang pangalan. Juice box. Okay? So, well, kaya pala tinapon sa magbobote. Binili ko naman. Pero it's good for vlogging as a feature. Okay? Then, we have this from the magbobote. We have this horoscope magazine. Okay? Lover's Guide Valentine Special. Pasensya na, I had to cover the front part kasi may male and female kissing each other. And may mga bata doon na baka nanonood or watching. And they might be shocked. Okay, anyway, this magazine, wala na, expired na. Kasi 1990s po ito eh. Look, it's a number one, no? Number one. Tandaan mo, any magazine or comics or book na number one issue is worth something. So, 1995 by Sonic Triangle Publishing Incorporated. So, it's in Tagalog, no? It's in Tagalog, and it discusses all about your love life, kung the sign. Ito, meron pa siyang feng shui, ang kahulugan ng baboy sa Chinese astrology. Ayun, see? So, it's a good magazine. It's a good magazine. Kaya lang, shall we say, siguro pwede ba, kahit na expired, you will discuss all about things, no, in this magazine. Okay? And it was thrown away. Siguro nga, expired na kasi, luma na. Baka naman the owner wanted something newer, mas bago, di ba? Astrology, horoscope. You can check the stars. Pag gumagalaw yung mga stars and planets, gumagalaw yung buhay mo. Yan ang alam ko. Okay? Then, finally, for our supporting vlog, we have this lumang medical dictionary. Okay? It says here, American Pocket Medical Dictionary. Okay? 19th edition and printed in 1946. That's just after the war. Kasi yung World War II from 1939 to 1945 nang namatay na si Hitler. You see? So it's a pocket dictionary with pocket terms, no? And mahalaga to for medical students, for graduates, kahit high school, all kinds of people who would like to read this thing. Okay? Now, I know what you're thinking. Iniisip nyo, Wonderbird, kung napaka-importante ito, bakit tinapon sa junk shop or sa magbobote? That's a good question, no? Since it's still very useful, tinapon. Bakit? One is, medyo sira na yung book binding. But I can fix this with rugby, with contact cement. Maayos ko yan. And back to normal. Palagay ko, the one who owned this, wag naman sana, baka patay na. Kasi 1946. So siguro, yung taong yun, nakapag-graduate na from medical school, nakapag-practice na yung kanyang medical profession, and then he passed away already. Siguro mga bandang 1970s, 1980s, old age na. Okay? And then, ayun, kasi nakakalat lang sa bahay. Pero I believe that should not be the case, no? Old dictionaries, old things like this should be set aside. Kung galing kay lolo na isang magaling na doktor, edi mas maganda. You set them aside and you make a small shrine. May picture siya, yung mga gamit niya, yung stethoscope, yung scalpel, and this dictionary. Okay? And this is made in the USA, and it cost dati 10 pesos and 50 centavos. It says there, no? Okay? And the name of the owner is still here, but I will not mention his name. But it's for respect na lang, okay? So that's it. So that we conclude our supporting vlog features. Now we come to our main vlog item. Di ba sabi ko may Mickey and Minnie wall clock? Totoo yun, no? About 5 days ago, a magbobote came to my house and sold me a busted, destroyed na Minnie and Mickey wall clock. It's a cuckoo clock. Okay? Yung cuckoo, gumagano siya. Diba? Na-invented sa Germany yan, yung mga ganyan klase. Okay, I'll show it to you right now. Okay, ayan. Okay, folks. So, this is the Mickey Mouse. Nakalagay, Mickey Mouse. Dalawa sila, si Minnie at saka si Mickey. Dapat talaga, Mickey and Minnie. Mouse or mice, di ba? So, like I said, it's a cuckoo clock. Okay? Meron pa nakasabit ng mga imitation pine cones. Ang tawag dito. Pine cones. Nagtanong yung pine cone, how are you? I'm fine. Sabi niya, joke. Okay? So, nang binili ko to, talagang wasak-wasak na, busted. So, after I bought it, for $100, I brought it to my favorite wall clock repairman and maker. So after 1 day, when I came back, okay na. You see? So he replaced the mechanism at the back, itong mechanism. Okay? Placed a battery, and then he cleaned it up. And pasensya na, may mga scotch tape kasi watak-watak nga eh. The screws are missing. You see? And excuse me. It's a quartz clock that tells the correct time. Okay? Now, this is also an alarm clock. 'Di ba yung cuckoo clock kapag 1 o'clock tumama, it says cuckoo. Ayun, gagano siya, 'di ba? 2 o'clock, cuckoo, dalawa eh. 3 o'clock, tatlo, cuckoo. Yun. See? Until 12 yun. So there used to be a cuckoo bird here. Kaya lang wala na. I will have to find a way. I would have to make a sculpture na kahoy kung pwede lang. Or makasakali makahanap ako. Kunyari, cuckoo clock. Cuckoo to. Ay, ilagay ko dyan si Cuckoo. Ayan. Hindi si Coco, not Coco Martin, pero cuckoo clock. Okay? Alam mo, yung totoong cuckoo clock, no? Hindi na kailangan ng mga electronics. Nag-cuckoo, gumagano siya kasi meron siyang pumper ng hangin. Pinapump yung hangin yung bird na yun, na made of wood, lalabas siya dito, sabi niya, cuckoo, gagano siya. Okay? Not me, but the bird nga, no, cuckoo. Okay? Yun. So this one is quartz de baterya. Hindi na kailangan ng hangin or pumping action kasi electronic siya. Pagka 7 o'clock, magsa-sound siya 7 times. Nung bago po to, nung maayos pa, wala na yung alarm clock eh. So I keep it kasi Mickey Mouse eh. I collect anything na may Mickey Mouse. At saka wall clock pa siya. At saka ito, these are just for decoration. These are pine cones, decoration. Yeah. Okay? So, anong plans ko dito? Well, I could sell it, kaya lang, wala siguro bibili ng ganyang klaseng wall clock kasi wasak-wasak na ka. So, I might display it na lang. Along with many other wall clocks like this one. You see? This is from Japan. Japan surplus. This is Seiko. Seiko wallet. Ang wallet na maswerte. Genuine ang balat nito. USA pa ang design. Seiko wallet. Yeah, right, fine, sure. Umulan na. Okay? This is a wall clock. Bihira yung wall clock na may borders or rims na made of wood. Usually plastic, but this is made of wood. And the mechanism is good. Dalawa siya. I don't know why the second mechanism is good. Alarm clock to. Now, I have plans of displaying or selling this because of the fine quality. Okay? So, let's conclude this. This Michael tuloy. I miss Michael Jackson. This Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse cuckoo clock made of plastic. Okay? That's very good. Okay, so with that, we conclude our vlog for this time. I would like to thank you again for being with me, for vlogging with me. Please give me a good like because I like you. Please subscribe to me. And I'm doing my best to teach you how to take care of your old stuff. Yung mga nasira at baka pwede maayos or pa-display na lang. Okay? So I would like to leave you with my favorite expression. Okay? That, remember folks, wherever you go, you will surely be there. Right? Bye. Thank you. We love you.